Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm Stevie. We are the future. Wait, why we are the future? We are the past! Amers TV, we are the future. Hello everyone, welcome back to Grown Ups TV. And today, this is a tutorial of how to make kids look like grown-ups. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today, we are making magic goop. Ingredients. Tonic water. But I can also work with normal water. And corn starch. Dun dun dun. Okay. Also, we need to mix it for a little while. So this is how you do it. You take some corn starch. And you take corn starch, you put it in there. I'm just using the whole one so you can see. The pen, it's on you. And then I take some tonic water. Be careful not for it to explode in your face. Oh, it's a brother, wait. And then you put the tonic water on it. Okay. And get mixing until it gets incredibly hard to stir. Here's a piece, no more piece. The rocket is solid as a rock. Now watch, melt, melt. In my hands it's melt, melt. In my hands it's melt. In my hands, that's so cool. Velociraptor. Num 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 num. Num 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 num. And this is also so satisfying. Just look at this.
It's so
look at this. I'm gonna try and throw it and see what will happen. Do you think in midair it's gonna just drop? Let's see. Ha! Ha!
That's so cool.
It's destroying nature. What have I done?
But nothing nature can take it out.
La la la. Ah!
There's grass all over it.
Shit. Ah. Oh no, look at this.
Keep it together.
What thing can you turn white? What? Try finding something that you can turn it white into white.
The giraffe.
Yeah.
Wait, the giraffe? Oh, let me try turning the giraffe white. Well, get some of it and put over the giraffe. Oh, the giraffe. Bye-bye, Mr. Giraffe.
A lot of science.
Bye-bye, giraffe. Yay!
Working.
On the giraffe it goes. Yay, I'm a new giraffe. Yes. Yes. And it's also edible. Look, if you want to get rid of a piece, get off my hands. You can go like this.
That's just...
My nose!
Now you can finally see your nose.
No, seriously, I could see it from before.
Yeah, you just have to do this. Oh, he's still there.
What? He's stuck there.
It's help me! He's going down.
Yep.
It looks like milk. Satisfying milk. Oh my god.
Okay, now look. I can't even make it to the bottom.
What?
Like if you smack it,
Oh,
you can't.
So
If you smack it with your finger, you can't even make it to the bottom.
Where is the bottom?
Only.
Oh, I found it.
I can't even feel the bottom. Where it went? Zoom this in. is white. And parents, don't be scared. This, it's very easy to clean, okay? So when you see your child has made a ginormous mess, don't go like, wow, furious. It's very easy to clean.
Wait, what's your brother doing to me?
He's playing with your hair.
Harder now. Fix it.
It's good. Okay, now make it go all the way here. Use your hands and make it go on this. Okay, this. Oh, where's it going? These. Wait, I need to take the corners. Okay, we're good. Are you ready? Okay. Ready?
It's kidding.
Nothing happening.
It's cold.
There you go. There we go. It gets the nice stuff. I'm from the lagoon of whiteness. Magic Goop. Messing with Mother Nature. She's a mother of nature. Ah. No, you're going. No giraffe. My hair isn't messy at all, but your hair, whoa. Your hair looks like ice cream. But the colors flip-flop, so the color of your hair is supposed to be the white things to look like chocolate syrup, and the white thing has to be your hair, so it looks like your head is ice cream.
I'm ice cream.
No, the colors are flip-flop. Hello, and video is done because just look all around us. Do you have anything to say, Mother Nature?
Yeah, you destroyed us. How dare you?
And make sure if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Hey, Mama.
Oomleck TV, we are the future.
Ice cream. Good thing it's edible.
You really are gonna be.
Thank you.